Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. In today's video, we will discuss Python F strings. So let's start the video. F string is actually an easy and organized way to format strings in Python 3.6 version. So here we can see there are two steps to write an F string. First one is write an F before the string and the second put variables inside the bracket. So here is so here is an example in which we have two variables, name and age. This is how we can call these variables. So we have two variables. One is name, which is Sarah, and second is age 20. So we will write down the f string and call the variables. So we can see the output. Both the variables are successfully called. We can also do calculations inside f string. In the example, we have two variables x and y, so that's how we can get the output by adding these variables. So that's all from today's video. If you find this video interesting, then please subscribe the channel.